Good afternoon, you're watching NewsX and I'm Vaishali Kohli. The Dwarka car crash viewers has claimed Sahil Dhaneshwar's life, has sparked outrage and renewed debate over juvenile driving laws in India. We have new CCTV footage from the incident. The victim's mother says her son tried to navigate safely, but the SUV coming from the opposite direction collided with him and then struck a parked car on the roadside. She added that a taxi driver was also injured in the crash and had to be pulled out by the public. Bhavna Sisodia is joining me with more details. Bhavna, जो latest जानकारी आ रही है उसके बारे में क्या बता सकते हैं?
कड़ी जोड़ते हुए जांच में आगे बढ़ रही है। वहीं लगातार एक के बाद एक सीसीटीवी फुटेज और वीडियो जो है सामने आती जा रही है। वहीं अब एक लेटेस्ट वीडियो सामने आया है जिसमें आरोपी कार चालक जो है वो और उसकी बहन जो है साफ तौर पे देखे जा रहे हैं। घटनास्थल की जो है ये पूरी फुटेज सामने आई है, जहां पे आप देख सकते हैं इस फुटेज में साफ तौर पे देखा जा रहा है कि टक्कर लगने के बाद आरोपी कार चालक और उसकी बहन किस तरीके से मौके से जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मौके पे मौजूद लोगों ने उन्हें जाने से रोका। और वहीं जो नाबालिग कार चालक आरोपी है वो अपना स्पष्टीकरण देता हुआ भी इस वीडियो में साफ तौर पे देखा जा रहा है। वहीं उसकी बहन भी जो है स्पष्टीकरण देती हुई देखी जा रही है। साफ तौर पे वो कहते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं कि 60 की स्पीड पर वो जो नाबालिग आरोपी है वो गाड़ी चला रहा था और साहिल जो है वो तेजी से मतलब हाई स्पीड में जो है साहिल बाइक चलाते हुए आ रहा था, जिसकी वजह से टक्कर हुई है। अगर देखा जाए तो फुटेज को देख के अंदाजा लगाया जा सकता है, जिसमें साफ तौर पे जहां एक तरफ साहिल का शव पड़ा हुआ है, दूसरी तरफ बाइक के जो टुकड़े हुए थे वो भी देखने को मिल रहे हैं। वहीं इस पूरे मामले में अगर दिल्ली पुलिस की बात की जाए, जहां साहिल की मां दिल्ली पुलिस कार्रवाई के ऊपर जो है सवाल खड़े कर रही थी, उनका कहना था जिस तरीके से नाबालिग को जमानत दी गई तो कहीं ना कहीं वो उससे नाराज होती नजर आ रही थी। लेकिन अगर पुलिस की माने, पुलिस ने साफ तौर पे बताया कि किस तरीके से जो एक पहले बालिग और उसके बाद नाबालिग के ऊपर एफआईआर दर्ज हुई वो किस वजह से हुई। और वहीं दूसरी तरफ पुलिस ने ये भी बताया कि आरोपी का जो पिता है उसके ऊपर भी कार्रवाई की जा रही है। आरोपी के पिता को भी बाउंड डाउन कर दिया गया है और चार्जशीट में भी आरोपी के पिता का नाम दर्ज किया गया। यानी कि कहा जा सकता है कि पुलिस से साफ तौर पर कहती हुई नजर आ रही है, निष्पक्षता से जो है पुलिस इस पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही है और जो भी आरोपी इस पूरे मामले में पाया जाएगा उसको सजा जरूर मिलेगी।
जी भावना, बनी रही है हमारे साथ। Viewers, this absolutely shocking incident that has rocked the capital really is absolutely disturbing. This is of course about a rash incident. Let me give you a background. This juvenile driving the car with his sister and trying to make a reel while he was driving rammed into 23-year-old Sahil, and Sahil, viewers, was driving in the right lane. He was safely driving his bike. His only fault that he came in front of these two reckless juveniles in a Scorpio who rammed into him. I have Mr. Ved Bhushan, former ACP of the Delhi Police, joining me. Mr. Bhushan, this of course is a shocking incident, but this juvenile should be given the strictest of punishment because he is now being let off considering he's got his board exams. But what is the kind of how should the investigation really proceed and what are the kind of juvenile sections that apply on him?
Exactly, Vaishali. This is a very serious offense and one life has gone, but the laws not permitted at all to go let off this young boy and Sahil. All the laws say that if anybody lost his life, it's a very serious offense. And Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita says this is a very, very, very serious offense. But in this case of Sahil, where the life is lost, it's a very serious offense. And all the issues and investigating by the Delhi police, and Delhi police registered all the FIRs, and his father was arrested in this case, and still the investigation is going on. Let us see and hope for the best for the grieved mother of the Sahil, wherein she lost only his son because she was single mother of this person, this boy, and let us hope for the best of the investigation, and this will go on, and let us wait for the investigations at all. Over to you, Shali.
You know, Mr. Bhushan, this incident has reignited the debate over underage driving and how serious really is the problem with juveniles behind the wheel in India, because how does this even happen that a juvenile is driving? And this is not the first incident. There were multiple challans against this Scorpio. Even in the past, the fact that a person is ruining somebody's life. We were seeing the condition of Sahil's mother yesterday. It was so disturbing to see her crying on air. Do you feel that there should be stricter rules about juveniles taking the car out?
Of this person on this car, and despite this car was running in Delhi, it's a very serious issue. It must be taken into account, and all the issues must be prosecuted. But the laws are very poor and very weak in these issues, and must be addressed by the government, and stringent punishment must be taken into this issue.
Mr. Bhushan, please stay on with me. I'll come back to you. Now, the father of Dwarka accident accused has spoken out after his son was accused in a fatal Dwarka crash. He denied the claims that his children were making reels. Bhavna Sisodia is joining me. भावना, ये देखिए कैसा बयान उसके फादर दे रहे हैं कि वो रील्स बना ही नहीं रहा था. All right, we've seemed to have lost our connection with my colleague Bhavna, but we'll reconnect with her. Now, Mr. Bhushan, I want to ask you that, you know, from your policing experience, do you think that a minor should be tried as an adult in a case involving death due to reckless driving, and under what circumstances?
Not at all, Vaishali. Had you seen in the case of this Nirvaya murder case, wherein juvenile was let off by the law because the minors are not allowed, and what I can say, very serious issue. The law will take its action, and
we seem to have lost that connection there, but we're going to try and connect with my colleague viewers for more details. And what a silly statement coming out from the father of the accused, saying that he was not making reels, when it's pretty evident with the CCTV footage that he was making reels, pardon me. Now, a new video has come up from after